What's good, guys? I appreciate you clicking on today's video. Today I'm just going to be overviewing a Chrome Hearts belt that I bought in Vegas a while back over, of course, at the Chrome Hearts store in Caesars Palace. What I'm going to be covering in this video is the price, the details, and overall just wanting to provide a detailed look at the belt, as I feel there's not much on YouTube. Alright, so I'm gonna go over everything one by one. So first, of course, it comes with some Chrome Heart matches. I always liked the look of this packaging. They sometimes give you one or two, and sometimes you might have to ask. And then to get into the belt itself, there's the buckle, and then here's the strap. So on the chrome bag itself, the dust bag, it does say Chrome Hearts in a very lightly stamped manner on the bags. This one did fade somehow. I never even did anything like to make that occur. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with the strap. So first you have the buttons that clip as so you can switch out your belt buckles if you were to get maybe a different buckle that isn't chrome related, if you wanted to use a different brand entirely for the strap itself. But it is a beautifully crafted button piece. They are beautifully crafted buttons. They just say Chrome Hearts, of course, with the cross, and even in the inside. And even in the inside, it says Chrome Hearts as well. Nice touches. The belt, for whatever reason, are a little weird. Just for reference, I am a size 30, and I got a size 34 when I was at the store. I felt it fit best. But the belt does only come around to the last hole, and that's as tight as I can go. Further details, it does say Chrome Hearts engraved within the leather, which is really pretty as well. And the stitching, as you can see, is just very nicely configured all throughout the belt. On the outside, you have a nice grain leather. This leather belt is slightly thick and slightly wide in width. What you guys are waiting for, the buckle itself. Now, something to tell you guys before I get into the details on this buckle. The buckle and the belt are two different prices. You have to buy them separately. So the belt buckle itself was $12.50, and the belt was $3.50. So pretty steep price. But what was amazing about this purchase is that this was the last belt that they had available at that store at that time, and I was super inclined into purchasing it because I had already had my mind set and knowing that I was going to purchase this when I was over there. And so I went by my word, and I'm very happy I did. Now, as you can see, this belt buckle itself is just crazy with all the different details within all the crosses and all the different sizes of them, of course, creating that nice contrast, that overlapping look. Super beautiful, very well crafted. It is on a little bit on a dirtier side because I haven't cleaned it as much, but it's also because I don't wear this that much. But on the back, you do have Chrome Hearts in a very emboldened way. Super beautiful. And like I said, I just gotta clean it. It just needs a good polishing. but it does get like this after some time. To give you a time I've had it for around a year and a half, so it's just a normal aging. But here's the, of course, clip itself and your attacher. And yeah, just to give you guys a closer look. Just an overall beautiful belt, completely worth the price in my opinion. And I love that you can alternate and create a variety of different looks just because the belt strap comes with a replaceable way of using different belt buckles. But here it is snapped on to put together. So like I said, on this belt in specific, there is just about 5 holes on the 34, and like I said, I feel it fits me perfect. It definitely holds my pants up on the pants that don't fit me completely correctly, but the sizing is just a little, I think it is. I had tried on a belt size that should have been closer to my actual size at the store, and it didn't work. Like this belt strap in specific is what worked best. So hopefully that's good information for you. I also know it makes it a little bit more confusing in terms of actually helping, but I think that's the best advice I can give you, is just to be careful. But yeah guys, this is everything. Of course, there's the show. I appreciate you for watching, and I hope this was educational and a video that is gonna be of good reference to you if you're looking to purchase and maybe even legit check something. But I appreciate you for watching. I thank you guys for the support lately. If you enjoyed the video and you felt it helpful, definitely leave me a like and subscribe if you're new. I definitely appreciate that. And I thank you for watching, and thank you for your time. God bless y'all. And y'all have a beautiful day.